welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a paper rocking bird. So let's begin. The materials you need. As said in the materials, all are here. So as in the feather tail, fold it into half and till the half, cut it with the scissors like stripes. See? See, I have cut this into stripes. Now using this quilling needle, insert the paper like how you make quillings. Roll it. See, like this it will come. So as same do for all the stripes. See, I have rolled it. Now this is the face, the yellow face. You can use any color, the colors your choice. I have taken this combinated colors. So black eyes, see. The opposite side also, stick the eyes. Some glue and the eyes. Okay, I have stuck that. Now in this is the beak. I have showed you in the material same color beak only, but I didn't take that beak. Stick the beak like this. Here also stick the beak. Now this is the body. Fold the body in not half, 1/3, little bit in the beginning only, just fold it and then cut it like this. Not so thin, don't cut so thin stripes. Some cross stripes, make it slanting stripes. Like this you should cut it. Now for this you should roll it opposite side. So this rolls this side means this should go this side. Roll like this fully for both the body. Now see, I have rolled it. See. So now stick some glue like the cross. Don't put so much glue because then it won't dry so fast. Till here also you can put. So now stick this like this. You should not stick till, don't put glue here and all, till this you put, and then stick. I have stuck the face which we made it. Now stick this and make like this. This is how the bird stands. Now stick the paws like this. You should cut the paws. See, this side also we will stick the paws. See, our rocking bird is ready. This bird stands because we didn't stick glue and we did like this. This is our rocking bird. Try this at your home and comment me below. If you didn't subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.